Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting into command-ready mode. Open Roblox Studio, load the custom Bedwars match, and make sure chat commands and admin tools are enabled. Once done, assign yourself the proper permission or use the configured prefix so commands register. You should test a basic command like /team or /spawn to confirm responsiveness. If the command fails, retry with admin mode. If it still fails, check that the module script is running and that your player ID is whitelisted for admin commands. You now configure the match using structured command sequences. Set teams, positions, and bed states first so spawns are correct. Then apply rule commands like timer length, respawn rules, and shop settings. These control pace and balance. Make sure to test key actions, start a short trial round, and observe spawn and shop behavior. If something is off, undo the last command and reapply with corrected parameters. Once satisfied, lock the configuration to avoid accidental mid-game changes. You finish by starting the match and watching for errors. Run /start match and keep the server console visible to catch script warnings. Use quick commands like /spectate, /kick, or /setlives to address instant player issues. These let you maintain fairness without restarting. If the match misbehaves, pause and inspect logs, reset the chat commands module, and re-verify admin permissions. Once corrected, restart the match. This approach minimizes downtime and keeps gameplay smooth for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.